You need to start feeling like that successful entrepreneur you're becoming even before the results appear. Yes, even before the results appear. Imagine, how would you show up if you were already confident in your business? You already had 11 clients. How would you communicate with your clients? How would you present your expertise? How would you feel when people recognize your value? You see, your future identity is created through your thoughts and your emotions. You can train your mind to become familiar with that person who is already successful as an entrepreneur. That is why successful entrepreneurs visualize, rehearse, mentally prepare themselves before achieving their goals. And not only entrepreneurs, even professional athletes, even who are the Navy SEALs. So, your brain learns through repetition. And when you repeatedly think, feel, and act from your future identity, you begin to create new patterns, new neural patterns that help you to become the person who gets the ideal clients. So